Alright, let's get started off. We're going to do swim baits. A lot of them. Because you go through a lot of them. We'll do these ones first. These are the Rage Swimmers, 3.75 inch. It's like our favorite. It's going on 3/0 flashy swimmer, or like an open hook jig head. This is pearl blue, red pearl, and just like a bluegill color. This one's called, I don't know, it's like green pumpkin with like a tealish bottom with some blue flake. Eight packs of those. Boom. We'll do some more swim baits. There might be some more way back in there, but we got two colors of these ones. Same color I just showed you on the Rage swimmers. It's KVD Magic, that's what it's called. See all different types of ways you can rig it. This is a Shadowless. This is a 5.5 inch bait. It's got a nice shimmy to it. Good head wobble. I also got it in clear sexy shad. Color, I've never seen it before. Decided to get some. Got 3 packs of those each. Next up, we'll go to some hard baits. Got these right here. These are the KVD, the Mega Dog. It's a huge top water. Got its chrome, bone. It's about the only 2 colors you'll need. Got 2 of those a piece. Alrighty, next up we're gonna do some rage crawls. Let's see. Find them all. I don't think this is all of them. We might have some more later, but some in the blue crawl. It's a green pumpkin, blue swirl. Good color in there. Also got some in the summer crawl, which is a green pumpkin with a chartreuse back to it. Summer crawl. Alright, next up we're gonna do some cutter worms. I think these are 7-inch versions. If you guys ever fish around grass, these are awesome. I think I got 3 colors in these. Got blue crawl, which is that green pumpkin swirl, which is on those Rage crawl. This is a June bug, like a purple with some green flake in. 3 packs of those. 2 packs of these watermelon reds. These awesome color. Alright, next up we're gonna do some crankbaits. Oh, it's gotta get some striking crankbaits. It's got 2 6XDs. It's one of my favorite colors. When you're throwing these, make sure to change out them hooks because they're not very good. Pro tip. Alright, we're gonna do some rage bugs. We got a lot because they just work. Look at all them rage bugs. I ordered all my favorite colors, so I'll tell you some secrets. Summer crawl, it's that chartreuse, green pumpkin bottom. Bama crawl, green pumpkin with like an orange bottom. Pretty cool. Some more Bama crawl. Watermelon red flake, just go-to color. And they didn't have any black and blue, but that's also an awesome color. You got some Falcon Lake crawl, which is a little bit different. So it's like a green pumpkin. It's got some gold, some red, some black, kind of a mixture of glitter. And it's got a red bottom. It's kind of cool. And these are for later. More of those watermelon reds. More of that blue crawl swirl. I don't know if I showed you guys that in the Rage Bug yet. There's 2 more packs of that blue crawl. Alright, we're gonna jump into some big worms. KVD Bull Worms. Got 4 packs of the black and blue. And there's a 10 or 11 inch worms. Got a nice tail on the end of it for big shaky heads. Get about that time of year. Got 10 inches long straight tail worm. Pretty good. We got a bait I never used before. This is a punch bug. Decided to try this out on some of the grass lakes I eat. I got this color is the blue crawl. This is blue crawl as well. I got 2 packs of those. Pretty cool looking. Next we're gonna go to some Rage Menaces. Awesome trailers. Awesome on wobble heads, swing heads, jigs. More Rage crawls. Alright. Summer crawl, chartreuse bottom, green pumpkin top. It's in the Rage Menace. Some more Rage bugs. This is the blue crawl Menace. Awesome color. More of that summer crawl. More blue crawl. More blue crawl. Blue crawl again. Summer crawl, summer crawl. It's that chartreuse. And here's a bait I've used before once. I really liked it, but I never ended up getting another package. But it's these Ned bugs. Put them on your little Ned rigs. I don't throw Ned rigs much, but when I do, I'm gonna put one of these things on. They're pretty cool. More Rage bugs in that Falcon Lake crawl. Then we got more of those Ned bigs. 3 packs. Caffeine Sheds. And that's in a pearl blue glimmer. This is an awesome color. It's like a blue top with a pearl bottom. Last but not least, some tungsten bullet weights. And that's it for the Strike King portion of this. 2 more baits. These are the Bellows Guild. This is a 2.8 inch, 3.8 inch. We'll take one of these out of the package, show you. Like very, it's different. These things are, I mean, you see my hands? Look at that. Here it is. Probably a good little bed fishing bait on Texas rig, lightweight. Fishing out some grass, some wood. I'm pretty excited to try these. They look pretty cool. And that's that 3.8 inch, and they have one about an inch smaller, and that's the 2.8 inch. Golly. And that's the Bellows, what do they call it? Bellows Gill. Alton Jones Jr. uses these a lot, so I figured I'd pick up some. That's Tackle Shop. We got two baits. Mag Draft, it's been killing them lately. This is just a pearl color. It's got like a little pink shimmy to it. Let's see what it's called. This is albino pearl shad, 6-inch bait, line through. It's got a treble on the bottom. If you guys haven't tried these, you need to, especially right now they're in a shad spawn. Last but not least, we got 316 lures. They're out of fork. This is a Rising Sun, another line through swim bait. This one's a little different. You tie the hook up, it goes through the nose right here. I've used this a little bit and it's awesome. So hopefully you'll see some footage of that coming up. All right, that'll be it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in, and shout out to THSBA for allowing me to have all this. Pretty cool deal with the gift cards they do. Yeah.